Hi, my name is Tom Tezak and I sell real estate in Maui, Hawaii. And my number one tip for brand new real estate agents is get out of your comfort zone, do something new and unique, be out there, be in your community, and be the guy known for being new into the market and selling real estate. Join community organizations, be part of the community and help everybody else. When you help everybody else, they'll help you. If you need business today, right now, you're broke, get out, work open house. I don't care where you're at. Most communities do open houses on Saturdays and Sundays. There is no rule that says you can't do open house on Thursday afternoon from 5 to 7 or 6 or 4 to 6 when people are on their way home. They're gonna see your signs. Just make sure that you do it 3 to 5 days in a row and you will have business. If you have internet, it's just the same as working at your home. You'll use that as your office. Find a place to go and work open house and meet the people right now when they're ready to buy. My business for 2020, I've got thousands of clients and unfortunately, I have just not paid a lot of attention to them. I'm going deep and wide into my database to really work and connect with my clients. Client events, client parties, personal phone calls, and personal invitations to join me for a lunch or a dinner because I think that our sphere is the most powerful place. We need to be human. We need to be relatable and we need to be in their world graciously and helping them.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.